Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I'm going to show you my kit for the month of September for how to kill a kit with style. And I'm going to give you a little bit of background first. So, for my birthday, my family took me to Hearst Castle, and I had a 6-inch stack of photos, you guys, 6 inches. Take off about a ½ inch for duplicates or things that just, not exact duplicates, but photos were so close, I was like, why did I print both of these? But this is the stack I have left to actually scrapbook. So I went through them. Now, what I did was, this is the opening page, I went through and just placed them all in photo sleeves. So I have all of these that are just in photo sleeves. And you guys, I might go through and add some stickers or something to them, but my main plan is not to really decorate the photo sleeve pages at all. And look at that stack. So, and then I have a oneer there. So that is how I'm handling my Hearst Castle photos. So for this little stack I have left here, this little stack right here, I pulled together a kit. And I started with my indigo and ivy because this is what I was using at the retreat, was indigo and ivy here. So I have this, and I wanted to pull in some other colors. So I went to my stash and I got this out. So there's probably way more stuff here than I need, way more papers if I'm looking at this little stack. But I thought that as well last month for my Disney Kill Kit, and I pulled in so much extra things. So I have a couple scraps of paper. I have this paper from Dear Lizzie Stargazer for this side of it. I have this and that from Echo Park for this side of it. I have this Vicki Boutin color kaleidoscope cut apart that I want the black and white side. I have these two papers which came in a Rosie Studio paper pack. I have this all heart from Crepe Paper, not the rainbow side, but this side. And then this is, these are a couple close to my heart papers. So I have them for the side I wanted them for as well. And then this is a sheet of close to my heart vellum. I have this cut apart sheet from Little Adventurer. I have, for the record, two sticker sheet that I've only used a couple things out of. I have this paper from Little Adventurer. I'm thinking the floral. I have this paper from Crepe Paper All Heart. I figured lines are always great to have. This is from Fancy Pants Golden Days. This is Pink Fresh BU. Then I have this paper from Crepe Paper Confetti. I also have this Crepe Paper Oasis. I have this was, what was that? Carousel, Maggie Holmes. I brought in my Carousel chipboard sheet. Now I know I'm not going to be using the Ferris wheel, but I'm going to try to use up as much as I can of the other one. I have these keyholes from Creative Embellishments. I have some black puffy hearts from Bella Boulevard, some khaki colored stars from Studio Calico. I have these wood hearts with gold from Momenta. This is from Crepe Paper as well, Craft Market. I have some gold and khaki banners. I have these brads from Dear Lizzie. I don't know what collection they came from. I have some cork, flowers, and hearts from Close to My Heart. A couple enamel dots, a big old doily, some gold word titles. I also have what's left of my puffy sticker sheet from Auburn Lane. Not exactly sure where this came from, but I've got some gold clear stickers. I've got some Vicki Boutin stickers, some Vicki Boutin thickers. I also have these pink fresh wood stickers from Indigo Hills 2. And then I have Simple and Sweet gold stickers here, and then I have these Auburn Lane stickers that I still have as well. And I thought these were the kind of little things that I might pop onto some of the photos that are already in the photo sleeves. So there's my kit in all of its glory. I also have the Indigo Ivy stuff, which is kind of a wreck right now, but I do have the sticker sheet, the rub-ons. I've used a couple of those. I have some of the sheets. I have the marble with gold still. So I do have a bunch of the paper still. I love this paper. I have the blue thickers. I also have the gold ones, the 6x6 paper pad. These are some cut-offs. I have an exclusive sequin mix from Spiegel Mom Scraps for this kit for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I also have all the die cuts and chipboard and stuff in this baggie. I just dumped them all in there as one. So there it is. These are all the photos I have to get through. So hopefully I will kill this kit just as well as I killed last month's kit. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see all the videos for the layouts I make with this kit, and ring that bell. That way you'll get notifications as well. If you want to chat, leave me a comment down below and we'll chat. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you again real soon.